You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this American actor, as well as how to say more celebrity names that too many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Known for his roles in television series Gilmore Girls and Carrie Agos, Matt Czuchry. Yes, Matt Czuchry. It's actually easy once you know Matt Czuchry. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.